This may sound like a joke, but I promise you it's not. Once you understand the principles I'm about to share, you can be to and have anything you want. That's my promise to you. Are you ready to unlock your highest potential? Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have it all, while others struggle just to get by? Why are some people happy, healthy, and successful, while others are unhappy, sick, and broke? Is it just luck? Or is there something more behind it? What if I told you there's hidden wisdom that can unlock the mysteries of life and help you achieve your highest potential? A wisdom that has been passed down through the ages by secret societies and occult masters, but is now available to anyone who seeks it. A wisdom that can transform your mind, body, and spirit, and align you with the natural laws of the universe. It's called Hermeticism, and it's about to blow your mind. Hermeticism is an ancient philosophical and spiritual tradition that originated in Egypt around the 1st or 2nd century AD. It's based on the teachings of Hermes Trismegistus, a legendary figure said to be the messenger of the gods and the source of all knowledge. His wisdom influenced the greatest minds in history, from Leonardo da Vinci and Isaac Newton to Carl Jung. I know what you might be thinking. Ancient wisdom? Messenger of the gods? Come on, this sounds like some New Age nonsense. But hear me out. This isn't just motivational fluff. These principles have shaped some of the world's most successful people. And today, we're going to break down Hermeticism's 7 core principles, practical tools that you can use to reshape your reality. Let's dive into these principles one by one. 1. The principle of mentalism. The all is mind. The universe is mental. What does this mean? Imagine for a second that the entire universe, yes, everything you see, touch, and experience, is one giant thought. Sounds crazy, right? But stay with me. This principle suggests that reality as we know it is essentially a mental construct, a projection of a universal mind. Here's the kicker. Your mind is part of this universal mind. What this means for you is that your thoughts have reality-bending power. Ever heard of the placebo effect? That's the principle of mentalism in action. People literally heal themselves just by believing they're taking medicine. It's not magic. It's the power of the mind. Your mind creates your reality. If you wake up expecting a bad day, your mind will find ways to make that expectation come true. But the flip side is also true. Start your day with positive expectations, and you'll be amazed at how your experience shifts. For the next week, start your day by visualizing exactly how you want it to go. Picture yourself nailing that presentation, acing that interview, or enjoying time with loved ones. Watch as your reality begins to align with your mental image. 2. The principle of correspondence. As above, so below. As within, so without. This principle reveals the hidden connections between the macrocosm and the microcosm. It tells us that patterns and structures at one level of existence correspond to those at another. In simpler terms, the universe mirrors your inner state. Think of it like this. When you're in a bad mood, doesn't it seem like everything around you is also going wrong? That's correspondence at work. Your outer world reflects your inner world. If you want to change your outer reality, you have to start with your inner reality. This means that if you want more money, love, or success in your life, you first need to cultivate those feelings within yourself. Think about how you can bring abundance, love, or confidence into your mind and heart first, and watch how your outer life starts to mirror that. Next time you're frustrated with a situation, ask yourself, what part of myself is being reflected here? Maybe that annoying coworker is mirroring your own insecurities, or your financial struggle is reflecting your beliefs about money. 3. The principle of vibration. Nothing rests, everything moves, everything vibrates. This principle is backed by science. Everything in the universe is energy vibrating at different frequencies. Even solid objects, when you zoom in on a microscopic level, are made up of atoms in constant motion. But here's where it gets really powerful. Your thoughts and emotions have vibrations too. High vibration emotions like love, joy, and gratitude attract positive experiences, while low vibration emotions like fear, anger, and jealousy attract negativity. Think of it like tuning a radio. If you want positive experiences, you need to tune your frequency to match. Here are some practical tips for raising your vibration. 1. Gratitude practice. Start and end each day by listing 3 things you're grateful for. 2. Mindfulness or meditation. Even 5 minutes a day can help tune you into higher frequencies. 3. Joyful movement. Dance, exercise, do yoga, anything that moves your body and lifts your spirits. 4. Acts of kindness. Helping others raises your vibration too. The more you tune your vibration to positive emotions, the more you'll start to attract experiences that match those feelings. 4. The principle of polarity. Everything is dual. Everything has poles. Hot and cold, light and dark, love and hate. These are all pairs of opposites. But here's the twist. They're not actually separate things. They're just different degrees of the same thing. Love and hate, for instance, are both forms of intense emotion. And that's the secret power of polarity. Once you understand polarity, you can shift your emotional state from one pole to another. Feeling anxious about a big presentation? Recognize that anxiety and excitement are on the same spectrum. By reframing your anxiety as excitement, you can literally shift your emotional state. Think of a struggle you're dealing with. Now, identify the positive pole of that experience. If it's a lack of money, the opposite pole is financial abundance. If it's a rocky relationship, the opposite pole is harmony. Focus on moving towards that positive pole, and you'll start to see shifts in your reality. 5. The principle of rhythm. Everything flows, out and in. Everything has its tides. Life moves in cycles. Think about the seasons, the moon phases, the tides of the ocean, and even your own energy levels. Just like nature, everything in life has its rhythm, its highs and lows. Many people fight against these natural rhythms, trying to always be on or always at peak productivity. But once you understand this principle, you can flow with the natural cycles instead of fighting them. Embrace rest when it's needed and ride the wave when your energy is high. Start paying attention to your personal rhythms. When do you feel most productive or creative? When do you feel drained? Plan your tasks around these natural rhythms, and you'll find yourself more in flow with the universe. 6. The principle of cause and effect. Every cause has its effect. Every effect has its cause. This principle is simple yet profound. Everything happening in your life right now is the effect of past causes, and everything you do today will cause future effects. It's like the universe is one giant domino effect. But here's the power. You can become a conscious cause instead of an unconscious effect. By taking intentional actions, thoughts, and beliefs, you can create the reality you want. Before taking an action, ask yourself, what effect am I causing right now? This simple question makes you a conscious creator of your reality instead of a passive reactor. 7. The principle of gender. Gender is in everything. Everything has its masculine and feminine principles. In today's world, many of us either push too hard or dream without taking action. What we often don't realize is that we all have two energies within us, masculine, which drives action and discipline, and feminine, which taps into intuition and creativity. To live a truly balanced life, both energies must work in harmony. In this video, we'll explore how to balance these forces so you can bring your dreams into reality with ease and purpose. Let's dive in. Balancing masculine and feminine energies is essential for creating harmony in your life, manifesting desires, and avoiding burnout or stagnation. These energies exist within everyone, regardless of gender, and understanding how they work together allows you to create a more aligned and effective approach to life. Masculine energy is associated with action, logic, and outward focus. It's the energy that pushes forward, makes decisions, and takes initiative. It's often characterized by qualities like setting goals, creating plans, and organizing tasks. Following through on commitments, even when it's difficult. Single-mindedly working toward a specific outcome. Taking concrete steps and action to make things happen. Feminine energy, on the other hand, is more about intuition, creativity, and inward reflection. It's the energy of being, receiving, and flowing with life. Feminine energy brings qualities like trusting gut feelings and the inner voice rather than relying solely on logic, allowing ideas and inspirations to emerge naturally without forcing them, caring for oneself and others, fostering growth in a gentle, supportive way, being open to receiving guidance, love, abundance, and opportunities. When you integrate both masculine and feminine energies, you become more powerful in manifesting your desires. The feminine energy provides you with intuition, creativity, and the vision of what you want to achieve, while the masculine energy gives you the discipline, structure, and action to bring that vision into reality. By using these energies together, you create a harmonious flow that allows you to manifest with ease and purpose. If you're overly masculine, embrace more receptivity, reflection, and creativity. If you're overly feminine, engage in structure, planning, and action. The key to balance is flexibility, knowing when to push forward and when to pull back, when to take charge and when to allow things to unfold naturally. We've covered a lot, but knowledge without action is like having a car without fuel. It won't take you anywhere. So here's your challenge. Try applying one of these principles for the next week. Start small. Pick the principle that resonates most with you and integrate it into your life. Journal your experiences, and you'll begin to see subtle shifts in your reality. And if you're ready to dive deeper, subscribe to my channel for more wisdom on hermeticism, manifestation, and the power of thought. Your journey toward mastering your reality starts here. Let's keep growing together. Thank you for watching. Keep your thoughts powerful and your vibrations high, and remember, you are the creator of your reality.